The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for extremely eastern Madison County, central New York, central Oneida County, central New York until 8:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 7:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm that was likely producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 1 mile west of Oneida Castle, moving east at 38 miles per hour. Locations in path in the storm include Oneida Castle, Sherrill, Vernon Center, Verona, Kenwood. In addition, Hecla and Lairdsville are near the of this dangerous thunderstorm. If you are path of this storm, take cover now. Move into an interior room on lowest floor of sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. Nighttime tornadoes are especially dangerous if you wait. Senior coming. It may too late. Get to safe place. A tornado watch remain in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Central East Central New York, Northeast Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch remain in effect until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Western New York, North Central Pennsylvania.